How do I write data into CSV format as string, not file? I want to cast data like 1, 2, he said what do you mean to a CSV formatted string. Normally one would use CSV.writer for this, because it handles all the crazy edge cases, comma escaping, quote mark escaping, CSV dialects, etc. The catch is that CSV.writer expects to output to a file object, not to a string. My current solution is this somewhat hacky function. Can anyone give a more elegant solution that still handles the edge cases well? Edit. Here's how I ended up doing it.
You could use Stringio instead of your own dummy_writer. This module implements a file-like class, Stringio, that reads and writes a string buffer, also known as memory files. There is also Xstringio, which is a faster version of the Stringio class.
In Python 3. Some details need to be changed a bit for Python 2.
Since I use this quite a lot to stream results asynchronously from Sonic back to the user as CSV data, I wrote the following snippet for Python 3. The snippet lets you reuse the same Stringio buffer over and over again. Example. Check out further usage at the GitHub gist, source and test.
I found the answers, all in all, a bit confusing. For Python 2, this usage worked for me.